When I look at that data, it's very helpful for me to benchmark our business against some of these other businesses that I think are well run. I really like this survey. I like from a financial standpoint, it checks all the boxes for like the main ratio analysis that I think somebody with a financial background wants to do. If you have a CFO or a VP of finance in your business, that this is not a hard survey to do. It takes about 25 minutes to pull all the data together, and the output is valuable. I mean, it gives you good ratio analysis. It gives you good income statement. There's some balance sheet items on there. The companies that are active participants in the FMA are above average manufacturers. They are trying to invest in their business and in their education. I think that shows in the performance of these companies. What we do at Metalworking Group is we take this survey and then we overlay all of our numbers against it. And so we try and figure out where do we stack up in this survey. If you have the opportunity to participate in this, there is really no downside to doing this. I think the more companies that we can get to do it, I think the better off we'll all be.